Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching from. So today we'll be looking at what we call power amplifier. And now when we talk about power amplifier, that is the powerhouse of your sound system, because everything you mix, from your mixer, from your EQ and everything, this is the main guy that will do all the dirty work. He's the one that will drive your speaker. So if you're having a very bad power amp, the output will be very bad. If it is very strong, then your output will be very, very heavy. Okay, so let's look at the front part so that we look at some of the things that are there so that we'll get familiar with it. Okay, as you can see, this place is very clear. This is the on and off. Every power amplifier will definitely have that. So we have our power switch here. This is where you can switch it on or switch it off. Then every power amp also will have two channels. It will either be, some will call it A, B, while some will call it 1 and 2. You understand? So that is just to tell you that you have two channels on your power amplifier. So this is channel A, this is channel B. Some may be channel 1, channel 2. Power, the switch. Why this is for your control. This is the control for side A, why this is the control for side B. Okay, so let's go to the back view so that we can see some of the stuff we had here at the back side here. Okay, so as you can see, this one is currently still connected. Okay, let me remove this so that we will not get confused. Okay, as you can see, this side now, this side you are currently seeing here, you can see this is channel A. From that front side, that my channel A there, you know, if you control it, for example, if this place is connected to my, let's say, channel 1 from my mixer, if I control the volume from the front, this play will switch off. If I on it, it will on. So this is the output side, sorry, the input. As you can see it here, input coming from your mixer, it will definitely enter here. Okay, so this is the side that is coming from your mixer where it will enter. Why this is the output side, as you can see, the speaker. Now, if you look at the speaker, you may decide to connect your speaker wire this way. Actually, we'll still do that in the later part of this video where we'll split everything, but just get it very clear that we have the input side and we have the output side. And as you can see from the front, that we have side A and side B. That is to tell you two channel. So as we have two channel here, then the output going to the speaker 2 will be 2. Okay, so don't get confused. As you can see, all this place, you can see your processing, you can switch it on or off. We have our stereo here, we have our bridge here, we have our parallel. Don't get confused, just leave it at stereo. For the bridge and the parallel, you see it in an advanced class and you understand that better. So in a nutshell, let's go back to the front so you get it very clear. So without wasting much time, the front side, just recall that we have our power button, we have our volume, we have the volume for both sides, and at the back we have the output side and the input side.